She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, today we are going to be doing a vision board, a mood board, a goals board, you know, whatever you want to call it. Whatever it is to you, it is to me. So, I got this huge bulletin board, 24 by 36 from Staples. And we got a few steps. I have a couple things that we got to accomplish today. So, let me just get my stuff situated here. Jeez Louise. Okay, so first things first is I want to get rid of this border because it reminds me of the old computer room I had growing up. So, we're going to paint the border black to get that modern aesthetic for the modern office we're now in, which is funny because the old office used to be in this room with shag carpet, but we moved on to bigger and better things. I'm just going to paint the top of this border really quick and then we can get into the nitty-gritty. While I'm doing this, actually, let me give you a little bit of a lowdown as to what I'm going to put on this board. So I printed off a bunch of pictures from Instagram and Pinterest. I think that was it. And some saved photos I had, I think. But I just went and printed some photos off at Walmart tonight. And a lot of photos of fashion, healthy lifestyles, a lot of like influencers and stuff that I follow and like really inspire me. There's like some food that like some healthy foods on there, as well as I want to print off a couple goals that I have written down in lists. I have like a kind of like a ideal morning routine, my goal morning routine, my goal like night routine. I have like a couple random goals that I just want to print off. And then once this is all done, I'm going to have it next to my desk. And it's just going to be kind of like one of those daily reminder things. Because I have like a notes on my phone of goals. And I save pictures on Instagram all the time that inspire me or, you know. But it's not like you look at them every day, you know, and you kind of forget about them or you choose to ignore them at other times. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to make this big visual representation of things that I wanted to focus on in the next little while because I'm in the mood to really get my shit together, if we're being honest here, in like all aspects of my life. So I'm just going to lay it all out on the line, you know, be honest with myself, and have it smack me in the face every morning, basically. I mean, it might be kind of weird that I printed off pictures of like girls that I follow on Instagram and I'm going to cut them out and put them on my wall. But I just think it will be like really motivational for me. Like when I look at those pictures, I'm always like, oh my gosh, like I wish I was more confident like that. Oh, I wish I put more effort into my hair and felt better about myself like that. I wish I did my makeup more often and felt cute like that. Like I just want to look at those things on the daily and just be reminded of, you know, the fact that I want to do that and that would bring me some happiness. Let's pull out our pictures. I got a fat stack of pics. I don't even know where to start, really. We got all sorts of pictures, all my favorite gals, and we're going to cut them up a little bit. We're going to arrange them. You'll see, I guess. Bulletin board is going to be this way on the wall. I'm just going to cut off some of these white borders because some of them were square images, so they printed off kind of funny. I feel like kind of a psychopath, like having all of these images, like especially because so many of them are like influencers and YouTubers that like maybe in like some wild dream of mine I could meet someday, and then I'd be like, oh, yeah, I had you on my mood board that I looked at on the daily to try to be a better person. Yeah, #1 fan over here. Just feels a little bit like psychopathy, you know? But at least I don't have like any string like connecting the dots, you know? But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So I have like an embarrassing amount of pictures of Emma Rose or Emma Lagar. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her last name wrong. But I'll have her Instagram linked in the description box down below, as well as everyone else that I talk about. You will see her a lot on my mood board because 1, her pictures are so creative and fantastic and just everything. And 2, she's just obviously gorgeous. And 3, I love her style. And 4, I just think she's a boss ass. And I just want to be more of a hustler like her. So yeah, many reasons. She inspires me. So we're just going to slap her face all over this damn board, okay? I'm just going to go for it. Just going to go for it, okay? Okay, don't know if I regret that, but we're just going to keep on trucking. I want to leave off like a little border on the bottom because I think I'm going to hang like some to-do lists and stuff off of the bottom. So I want that to be like usable space. So I'm going to tape off a little edge. Okay, so this bottom piece is going to be the no pin zone. I'm going to reserve that space. So first pick, we got Emma in the pool. Okay, let's slip in this picture of Gigi and let's cut her out so we don't have to, you know, be inspired by the NYPD guy every day, even though, you know, I'm sure he does great at his job and he's probably an inspiring person to all. Oh my gosh. I'm like so excited about this already. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, another person we have a couple of is Kim K. What's your problem, huh? You got a problem, Kim K?
I ain't saying nothing.
She a boss ass bitch. But no, I just think her body is like incredible. Obviously, like who knows what she all does, but I know she's in damn good shape and I love her style. So I have a couple of like style pics of hers. Do we cut out Kanye? I guess he can stay.
Who is that?
What?
Why did you just get her body?
Cause babe, I want to be able to rock this outfit.
Oh, okay, sorry.
What? A problem?
No.
Don't judge my mood board, okay?
I'm not
It doesn't
judging
have to be your mood.
I'm not...
It doesn't have to be your vision.
Okay, whoa.
So I'm just going to go ahead and pin a couple of these and then I'll catch you up with the progress that we've made.
Daydreaming over you and everything I wanted to say. I wonder if we kiss, will your lips get washed away? Get washed away. Daydreaming.
just like that, we are finished. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I'm really anxious to get it up on the wall and see what it looks like in the space. So this is the finished product. I'll hang it up here right away and then just give you guys a closer look into the images and let you know why I picked some of the pieces that I did. Alright, and here is the finished mood board hung up on the wall here. It's right beside my desk over here, and I'm just so obsessed with it. So like I said, I added some little to-do lists kind of on the bottom, more like goals list, I guess, as well as some workout goals, routines, different categories, you know, for my life, for my boss's goals, my goal, morning routine, night routine, and then it's just full of all of these beautiful, beautiful images. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. There's quite a bit of range between all of the images. We have some beautiful fashion inspiration, some hair inspiration. We have, you know, a good matcha green tea because I want to start drinking more matchas and less sweetened up coffees. We have an Ole Henriksen photo here because I want to remember to stay on top of my skincare game. We have some bathing suit pics because I want to, you know, always be bathing suit ready because I'm ready to live that vacation lifestyle on the beach, you know what I'm saying? And if the opportunity comes, gotta be ready. Then we have some YouTube plaques because that's a huge goal of mine, is to reach those YouTube milestones. We have green smoothies, avocado toast because I want to have some healthier breakfasts. We have this beautiful bedroom by Jenny Comendo because I'm, you know, always inspired by the home bloggers. I want to keep my bedroom nice and clean, nice and beautiful. We have some fitness pics, the gorgeous Whitney Simmons over here rocking the bathing suit, reminding me, you know, to just do one more squat each day. And then, you know, we have all of my favorite bloggers. I'll have everyone that I can remember that I pulled from linked in the description box down below so you can check them out. But I totally recommend that you guys make one of these yourself. It has been just such a mood booster for me. I'm actually, if I'm being honest, I'm filming this clip of the board hung up on the wall about 3 days after I filmed the rest of that video, and so far so good. It has really helped me just get in the mood to be productive, be a fitness queen, and we're only 3 days in, but I mean, better than ever. So 10 out of 10 recommend if you want to get your goals in order and just plan to be the best you, because let's do this together, my gals. Alright, so that about wraps up this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video idea. I thought it was really fun. I wanted to make a mood board anyways, and I thought maybe a couple of you would get something out of this or be inspired to make your own mood board. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Give it a thumbs up. And comment down below one of your favorite pics or what would be on your mood board. You know, I want to know. Maybe I'll have to make some additions here soon. But anyways, see you guys next week. Bye.
Are you still there? To delete your message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?